was going to have a close encounter of the bird kind there. Paddling down the Portage River to Little Portage Lake. Tight turns. Tight for a 17-foot kayak. Oh. You guys probably didn't hear or see that, but there was a deer right next to me on the shore that just took off. Kind of startled him. Wish I could have got him on camera. Shortcut there, but I'll go the long way. Just for the scenery. Peach Mountain in the distance. Little Portage Lake is in between here and there. I don't know if you can see the silver reflection on the top. Portage Mountain, it's the old telescope observatory. Before development hit out here. Beautiful day. 80 something, sunny. A few clouds here and there make it interesting. Getting back to civilization here, as you can see. There's a little marina up here on the river. There's sandhill cranes down here on the shore. I went by the first time. Looks like they've moved on. Very old marina here now, just a boat slip place owned by the other marina that's on Portage Lake. They bought them out at some point. Those people on the other lake didn't know where they're from. That's a little Portage in front of us. Very pretty lake. Makes you think like you're up north. Well, I'm going to stop the video here shortly. I'll get my life jacket back on as I'm heading out into the lakes. Should be able to see the observatory dome now, directly in front of us. Getting my life jacket back on. There's more and more boats out. Don't go out on the bigger lakes without a PFD on. It's just doesn't make much sense to go out without it. You just never know what's going to happen with some of those crazy boaters out there. Signing off here.